Today's project is an ottoman for the couch here. So it's gonna be here while we're in transit, and then it'll be able to kind of use on the couch to get your feet up. So what we got is 5-inch memory foam from Amazon. This is just the leftover from the bed here, and we'll see how it goes. So here is some ottoman progress. This is basically, the cushion will sit on this. This pulls off. I just have that to keep the lid on. It works pretty good. It could have been tighter, but it's okay. And so far, I'm thinking of just using more of this board I have to do the side. And I also pin nailed the bottom. Here's the finished ottoman project. We did the cactus again, and then you can see it just kind of sits in this little tray, and then underneath, it's a bit messy now, but this is going to be our dirty clothes. We're going to pin it up on here, and then we're going to keep our toilet compost stuff in here as well as we're not sure, but there's a lot of room in here. I mean, if we filled this bag up with clothes, we'd still have like, yeah, all our clothes would probably fit in this box. But then, I mean, you can see we have all this room, so we're thinking of our composting toilet coconut coir in there. And then the cool thing about the ottoman is another reason why we built it is it's a nice step up to our bed, and also it's a nice addition for me to fit on the bed all the way. So I'll show you. You basically just step up, get on the bed. So it works. It was a good project.
And we'll show you it with the other table out and how we sit at the table with it.
Yeah, we will. Here's the ottoman, and you can see we use it as our table to eat, and then also Danny sometimes does her
computer work
on this.
He does his on this.
So it's very multifunctional. It's an ottoman from here. Show them on the couch.
Oh.
So you got your feet up, and then it's laundry, it's storage, it's a step for the bed, it's an extra seat. It also works for the front seat ottoman. So it's multifunctional. That's what you need in the van. And we're really enjoying that we made it.